There's tons of research now, but I had to see a counselor, and he actually taught me this. I saw this man a few times in my life, and he saved my life. He really did, because I didn't know after 12 and a half years, if I didn't get that degree, I didn't know what I was going to do. I mean, it wasn't good. And he said, well, what do you do all day? And I go, well, I have this one semester, and I save money, and I'm just studying and going to class. And he's like, you're overstudying. What? That was like music to my ears. I never heard that before. It was like, you're not trying hard enough. I'm going to talk about 3 simple habits that can make you feel a whole lot better. Anxiety, depression, bipolar, mood disorders. If you're struggling with them, these 3 habits can make the difference between experiencing soul-crushing symptoms and riding the wave of symptoms to your authentic self. As we evolved, our movement influenced our brain development. And it's still moving, still affects how we think and feel. Sitting all day is deadly, and it doesn't really matter how you move, but you need to take movement breaks. You can do dishes, you can vacuum, you can clean your room, you can go see your friend across campus or walk to class. If you're prone to mood disorders, your hangriness can go next level. You can rival Academy Award-winning performances when you get hungry and angry. Your dramatic gestures and your voice projecting to the next level can be really scary for yourself and for anyone around you. What people don't realize, our food supply these days is so much highly processed food. A problem with highly processed food is it shoots your blood sugar up and then plummets it because it's up and down, up and down. And I didn't know I used to have panic attacks. I just felt really awful at times.